So this is some setup issue you might encounter. What if your throttle is reversed? So when you press throttle to go forward, it instead goes back. And when you press reverse, you instead go forward. So in order to adjust that, you have to go into your settings. You have to go into your settings. You need to turn it until you get to servo direction. Press the big wheel downwards. And now you can see how 1 is flashing. This is how you adjust your channel. So we want to adjust channel 1. Press right here this end key, and you see how now the normal NOR is flashing. We need to switch it over to reverse. There we go. But also channel 2 is reverse in this case. So click it again, switch channel to channel 2, click on end again, and switch to reverse, okay? And now, pressing down on the throttle goes forward, and steering is no longer reverse. This is how you adjust your reverse controls, if it's reverse or something. Another thing to keep in mind is that if your vehicle is not driving straight, what needs to be changed is your trim. And trim right here is these steering trims right here. It says ST trim. That's how you switch the steering trim. So trim is when your vehicle is not pointing forward. You can tell how the tires aren't very pointed straight. You can adjust it by pressing here these buttons, and you can tell how now it'll hold the position. This will depend on each vehicle. You might have a bit of issue with your vehicle or not, or something with tolerances. But that's what you need to adjust in order to adjust if your controls are reversed and if your trim is not set up straight, if your vehicle is not driving straight.